So like a lot of you out there, I've been watching Clarkson Farm and been loving it. I was even privileged enough to go to Clarkson Farm itself and sample some of its cow juice. And as much as I love it, and I really do, it got me thinking. You see, as an accountant, one of the most intriguing parts about it, and the bit that kind of highlighted the most about the strength of small businesses and resilience of small business, at the end of season 3, episode 8. And what it does is it highlights how having the opportunity to not just see all of your income and profit and loss in one figure, but actually split up into costings can be so powerful. And it gave an opportunity for Jeremy and Caleb to think about what was profitable, what was not. Strategize for next year. It gave them all of that data, and that as a small business is so powerful. It's one of the best examples I've ever seen. But it got me thinking. As good as that wasn't real-time information. As good as it was manually having to put the information in there. So my question and my point to make is that actually, wouldn't it have been better with QuickBooks? You see, with QuickBooks, Jeremy could have had sent to him on his phone, and he uses his phone a lot during this series, that exact whiteboard, but on a regular basis. He could add in real time what was going on in the world of his farm. Just think, you saw the power of that data on a whiteboard. Think about how much power that data can be for you in the palm of your hand. And that's what QuickBooks brings to the table. So, with the power of QuickBooks, and a big thanks to QuickBooks, by the way, means that your business, big or small, can have that important data to make sure that you make the right choices going forward. You can be as resilient as Diddley Squat, thanks to QuickBooks. Now it's got me thinking, what if a business would do better with QuickBooks?